Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video on this channel.
This video is about an Audi A3 convertible satin blue S3 body kit tuning project. Before was a normal red Audi A3, then owner installed airway suspension, install another rims, then wrap entire car in blue satin, change front and rear bumper, and even if it's a new car model you can clearly see difference from the beginning.
You will see all the change through the video. Please tell me in comment section below what do you think about this car.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
I'm alright in hindsight, 'cause all that's left here now is starlight. It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I need. I need escape from this debris, carefree.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.